And we are back with another Compare Food Recipe Challenge, June, grilling season. Let's talk about ribeye steak. Ribeye steak is one of my favorite parts of the cow. It's where the fattiness combines with the meaty part. It's the side of the cow. For grilling, it's perfect. And I'm gonna give you some tips on how to cook a perfect ribeye steak on the grill. First, you always want to make sure you have your grill on at high temperature. Make sure you have your steak out for at least 25 to 35 minutes. You want to make sure your steak is at room temperature. What this is going to do is going to help the steak cook evenly depending on the temperature you want it to have. You want to go ahead and open your grill. After your grill is at high temperature, you want to put your grill back at medium temperature, so that way when you put the steak, you have those grill marks. One of the things about ribeye steak, sometimes the less seasoning the better, because it has so much flavor, so much fattiness that it's gonna melt like butter. All you need basically will be salt, and you want to use kosher salt, which is a bigger grain. Now don't be afraid with the salt, because eventually the salt will drop on the grill. So you need salt, a little bit of pepper, or how much pepper you want, and maybe some paprika. Sweet paprika or smoked paprika, it's fine. That's just to bring the smoky flavor once you grill in it, and that's all you need, guys. Remember, don't be afraid with the salt, because eventually the salt will drop on the grill and it's gonna taste like you're eating butter with something delicious. Believe me, ribeye steak is one of my favorite cuts of the cow. And remember, guys, this is a way to win a $50 gift certificate to Compare Foods Charlotte. And the rules are: make a dish using ribeye steak, be creative, post a picture of your final product using ribeye steak, tag Compare Foods CLT and Edwin's Organics on Instagram. And remember, the deadline to enter to win is on June 21st at midnight. Winner will be announced on June 28th. Good luck, guys, and be creative, and buen provecho.